This is Carl Joshua Poha from AR302 R32S1, and this is my proposed five-star hotel and architectural design. So, the title of the project is Azure Horizon Hotel, and the concept is the guide slash natural surrounding and moderate climate make it an ideal site for biophilic hotel architecture. A vital component of five-star hotel hospitality, the connection to nature promotes physical and mental well-being and gives visitors an opulent, revitalizing experience. So, basically, yung concept ko is biophilic architecture kasi yung Tagaytay located siya sa bundok, di ba? So, nature talaga siya. Next, design philosophy. Everything with design is a response to the specific climate and culture of a particular place. So, swak siya para sa general concept ko kasi connected siya as biophilic. Next, design schemes. I have cross ventilation, stack ventilation, fixed windows, casement windows, awning windows, chandeliers, and light shelves. The design considerations, I have 10 considerations: sustainability, spatial layout, accessibility, safety and security, aesthetics, light and ventilation, access to nature, privacy, comfortability, and ambience. So lahat ng considerations ko is connected siya sa schemes, philosophy, and concepts ko kasi na-provide naman niya so far yung mga linalagay ko rito. Next is evaluation of forms. Next, start ako sa basic form of the structure. Next, form a wave-like line in front and extrude it. Put tube or bamboo in the facade to create aesthetics. Lastly, push down the door to create a parapet that can be used for solar panels. Next, this is the bubble diagram for the main building ground floor plan. For the blue color, this is the uh, public spaces, and the orange is the semi-private, and the red is the private areas. Next is the deluxe building ground floor plan. So naka-separate siya kasi merong public access sa ground floor plan kasi nakaiwala yung building. So same as the main building bubble diagram. Blue is the public and red is the private. And this is the suite building ground floor plan, same as the deluxe floor plan. So this is the space matrix. I have three, which are main building, deluxe building, and suite building. Material board. Uh, so far, uh, connected naman siya kasi sabi ko nga sustainability dapat yung mga gamit na meron or makikita sa building kaya naman mostly puro mga kahoy talaga at saka bamboo ang nandyan. So, exterior of material board. Kung ano yung mga makikita sa labas ng building. Next is the site development plan. So, ayan, naka-separate siya into three buildings. This is the loft, the main building, and the suite building. Ito naman yung infinity pool. And then nakatapat siya sa Taal Lake. So, this is the floor plan for the major building. So, ito yung lobby reception. Dito yung um, spa, wellness. Ito naman yung fitness center, men's and women's, yung shower room, laundry facility, and the staff office. So, ito yung conference room na lima. Nandito sila. So, merong window para makita nila yung view ng Taal Lake. Next, ito naman yung utility. Ito yung men's and women's restroom. Um, ito naman yung bar. Ito yung bar. And then ito yung major restaurant ko. Ito naman na nasa likod ng reception. Ito yung mga um, re- uh, retail shops. Diyan, nakatapat siya sa cafe area. Ito, nasa gitna. Tapos itong dalawang pinto. Ito yung public access papunta din sa dalawang building. So, dito na side papuntang deluxe and dito naman papuntang suite. Next, this is the deluxe building. So, naka-separate din siya kasi sa ground floor plan, merong pintuan na nakalagay for the public access papasok ng building. And ito naman yung sa second to 10th floor ng deluxe building. Same with the deluxe suite, ganun din sa ground floor plan. Merong public access dito kaya naka-separate. May pinto. Pero pagdating ng second to